Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a timeless self-help classic that has inspired millions of people worldwide since its publication in 1937. The book explores the principles of success and personal achievement, drawing on Hill's study of successful individuals over several decades, including conversations with industrialists like Andrew Carnegie. Hill's central thesis is that success is not solely a product of talent or circumstances, but is largely influenced by one's thoughts, mindset, and the application of certain principles. 1. The power of thought. At the core of Think and Grow Rich is the idea that thoughts are incredibly powerful and can shape one's destiny. Hill emphasizes the role of one's thoughts in influencing actions and ultimately determining success. He introduces the concept of the mastermind, a harmonious alliance of two or more minds working towards a common goal. By harnessing the power of thought and collaboration, individuals can achieve success beyond their individual capabilities. 2. Definiteness of purpose. Hill underscores the importance of having a clear and definite goal in life. He argues that individuals with a specific purpose are more likely to succeed than those without a clear direction. Definiteness of purpose serves as a guiding force, helping individuals overcome obstacles and stay focused on their objectives. 3. Faith and autosuggestion. The book discusses the significance of faith as a driving force behind success. Hill encourages readers to cultivate a strong belief in their ability to achieve their goals. He introduces the concept of autosuggestion, where individuals repetitively affirm their beliefs and goals to their subconscious minds. Through consistent positive affirmation, individuals can overcome self-doubt and build the confidence needed for success. 4. Specialized knowledge. Hill emphasizes the importance of acquiring specialized knowledge relevant to one's goals. He argues that successful individuals are lifelong learners who continuously seek to expand their knowledge and skills. The book advocates for the practical application of knowledge and highlights the role of education in achieving success. 5. Imagination. Hill believes that imagination is a powerful tool that can be harnessed for success. He encourages readers to visualize their goals and use their imagination to find innovative solutions to challenges. Imagination, combined with faith and desire, can propel individuals towards their objectives. 6. Organized planning. Think and Grow Rich stresses the significance of organized planning in achieving success. Hill suggests that individuals should create a definite plan for the realization of their goals. This involves setting clear objectives, developing strategies, and creating a step-by-step action plan. Organized planning provides a roadmap for success and helps individuals stay focused on their priorities. 7. Decision. Hill contends that successful individuals are decisive and prompt in their decision-making. Indecision, on the other hand, leads to procrastination and missed opportunities. The book encourages readers to make firm decisions and take immediate action, even if the decisions are not perfect. The key is to cultivate a habit of decisiveness. 8. Persistence. Persistence is a recurring theme in Think and Grow Rich. Hill argues that many individuals fail just when they are on the brink of success because they lack persistence. Success often requires overcoming obstacles and setbacks, and those who persevere in the face of challenges are more likely to achieve their goals. 9. The mastermind principle. Hill introduces the mastermind principle as a powerful tool for success. This involves surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who contribute diverse skills and perspectives. A mastermind group provides support, encouragement, and accountability, fostering an environment conducive to achieving collective and individual goals. 10. The subconscious mind. The book delves into the role of the subconscious mind in shaping behavior and outcomes. Hill argues that one's dominant thoughts, whether positive or negative, are transmitted to the subconscious mind and influence actions. By maintaining a positive mental attitude and focusing on constructive thoughts, individuals can attract success into their lives. 11. The brain. Hill explores the relationship between thoughts and the brain, emphasizing the role of the brain as a broadcasting and receiving station for thought vibrations. The book suggests that individuals can influence their environment and circumstances by controlling their thoughts and maintaining a positive mental attitude. 12. The Sixth Sense. Hill introduces the concept of the sixth sense, which he describes as the gateway to infinite intelligence. This intuitive faculty becomes active through the other principles discussed in the book and serves as a guide in decision-making. Developing the sixth sense requires an open mind and a deep connection with one's inner self. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a transformative guide to achieving success and prosperity. The book's enduring popularity lies in its timeless principles, which emphasize the power of thought, definiteness of purpose, faith, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistence, the mastermind principle, the subconscious mind, the brain, and the sixth sense. Hill's insights continue to inspire individuals to cultivate a success-oriented mindset, take purposeful action, and harness the unlimited potential within themselves to achieve their goals. You can buy this book from the given link in the description. So, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to listen to more book summaries for free.